This is Gantry shearing machine with one cutting cylinder and one press cylinder. The cutting blade length is 1 meter. The opening height is 900 millimeters. Cutting force 100 tons. This is pump. This is motor. This is control valve. It's electrical control panel. Motor start, motor stop, cutting and back, auto and magic. This is a pressure adjuster valve. This is lowest switch, uppermost switch. This Gantry shearing machine is used for the plastic cutting. When the scrap plastic cutting process, first press and cutting, then back.